Yellowing grass is usually a clear sign your lawn is crying out for some serious help, and knowing how to fix it fast can make your yard look alive again, like overnight. So first off, you gotta test your soil, because yellow grass often means it is missing essential nutrients, especially nitrogen. You can grab a soil test kit online or from a local garden store, and it is super easy to use. Just follow the instructions and wait for the results. Once you know what nutrients are low, applying the right fertilizer is key, but nitrogen is usually the main culprit behind yellow grass, so look for a fertilizer high in nitrogen to give it that green boost. Don't just dump fertilizer all over like crazy though. Spread it evenly and according to the package directions to avoid burning your lawn. Also, check your watering habits because too much water can drown roots and cause yellow patches, while too little dries the grass out and makes it turn yellow too. Aim for watering deeply but less often, like once or twice a week depending on your climate. Mowing tall helps grass hold moisture better, so set your mower blade higher than usual. Lastly, aerate your lawn if the soil feels compacted. This lets air and nutrients get down to the roots where they belong. One of the biggest mistakes with yellowing grass is ignoring soil health, thinking just watering more will fix it. Instead, test your soil first and add fertilizer based on what is missing. Another common error is overwatering or underwatering. Both mess with grass color, so stick to a consistent deep watering schedule that matches your lawn type. The third issue is mowing too short or using dull blades, which stresses grass and makes yellow patches worse. Fix this by raising your mower height and sharpening blades regularly to keep grass healthy. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by hooking homeowners up with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to lawn care and home projects. Plus, it helps contractors find steady work by connecting them directly with people needing their skills right in their neighborhood.